Greetings, mathematicians. Today we're looking at example 4a, adding and subtracting rational expressions, algebraic fractions, where the denominators are not the same. First thing that needs to be done is find or factor the denominators if they can be factored further, and then find the lowest common denominator. 7b cannot be factored further. B squared cannot be factored further. So we're going to go straight to the LCD. So let's go ahead and write the LCD. 7 is a unique factor. It's showing up in the LCD. B is a unique factor. It shows up in both, but because b squared is the highest exponent in the second denominator, our LCD is 7b squared. So now we're going to write equivalent fractions, or change these fractions to equivalent fractions so that we can add them with the same denominator. So 3 over 7b times this ratio, and where we need to get 7b squared in the denominator. Well, 7b times b is 7b squared, and if I multiply the denominator by b, then I have to multiply the numerator by b, and that's going to be our first one. Here's my plus sign to separate the fraction. 4 over b squared times this ratio is going to give me a common denominator of 7b squared. Well, b squared times 7 is going to give me 7b squared. And if I multiply the denominator by 7, I multiply the numerator. And there I'm multiplying by a ratio of 1 to write my equivalent fraction. So here I'm going to go ahead and write 3, I'm going to emphasize the multiplication, 3 times b over 7b squared plus 4 times 7 over 7b squared. And now what I really have is a common denominator where I can add the numerators together. 3 times b is 3b, 4 times 7 is 28, so this is really just 3b plus 28 divided by 7b squared. And neither the numerator nor the denominator can be factored further. This is our answer for 4a.